Yes, digital product family. In this world of the digital product, people are saying that it is saturated, and I keep saying no, it's not. I keep saying sub niche, and you shall find those golden gems. And I believe we shall do this today, guys, because today we are looking at Christmas digital product that I'm going to find you. I'm going to actually dig real deep and find you this amazing Christmas digital product that you can actually start doing after this video. A fantastic sub niche that you won't even believe that you could do. And I'm going to do it live a cappella right now on this video because we got to do this, guys. We got to find those gems. But guys, as usual, before I get going with this fantastic video, if you love digital products, you love creating, researching, and all of that mad stuff, then please hit a like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and don't forget to share, people, because we love sharing down here. This is London town, and we love to share. Do you know what I'm saying? That's how we roll. You get me? Anyways, let's get going with this amazing video. Check it out. Look at this. I'm looking at Christmas design. I typed it in on Etsy and it's telling me it's got 1,373,733 listings with ads, which is absolutely crazy. Where we're going with this, and anyone said, AJ, there's no way we're gonna actually get into this and sell anything. I can't do this. Listen, follow my steps and let me show you how we're gonna do this. Remember, we're science-based, factual-based. We don't do guesswork. We do what works and definitely works. And we're not looking at things that have been working for years, old stores that have been selling for years and got that quality score and that history and those ingredients that are already embedded in their store. No, we go with new, fresh stores that haven't got that quality score yet, are building and are making that amazing passive income already because they are doing something correct, guys. This is what I'm trying to say to you. If newbies can do it, you can do it. Okay? Now, that's what I go for. Facts. If a newbie can do it factually, then you can do it. Simple. Tell me something. Anyways, check it. Let's do our research. Now, I'm going to find you a niche right now in this video. Let's do it a cappella. So, what I'm going to do is, as per usual, I keep saying it and I will keep saying it because it's fact. You need to get some kind of analysis, some research tools, some SEO, because it will help you research, right? And the fact being is that some kind of SEO does help you, especially when you got millions out there and everyone's fighting to get all that on that first page listing. You want to be able to beat the algorithm and you need a head start. You need a little bit of help. My help is EVERBEE, fantastic SEO software. Check out all the links in my description for everything I use. I'm going to use it right now to find a fantastic little niche. So look, Christmas design, we saw like it had so many listings, right? Typed it in there and I'm just going to click search, right? Search for products in this world. Now I kept it open. Now check out my process, right? Check out my process. I kept it quite open, right? But actually, let me just step back for 1 second, please, because I just want to do one. I want to go back to Etsy, right? The search bar, right? The other thing I wanted to say is, obviously, Etsy informs us anyway. Etsy talks to us. I keep saying Etsy will speak to you if you listen. And what I mean by that is when you type something on a search bar, you'll see that it will tell you what people are looking for, right? So actually, what's really good and interesting is that Christmas designs, PNG, is quite a popular search, right? Christmas designs is popular. Christmas design bundles, people love bundles. I keep saying it. People do love their bundles. But look, it doesn't have to be a bundle, but I'm saying they do like it. Christmas design. Look at this. This is very interesting. Christmas design SVGs, Christmas designs embroidery. Embroidery is becoming something that people are buying, you know, patterns for embroidery, whether it be sewing patterns, you know. I've spoken a little bit about these patterns before in other videos. So do check out my playlist, guys, because it's not just your typical, you know, PNG designs that I talk about. I talk about other things, you know. If you look at the ornament video that I did with laser cut SVGs as well, because A digital download can be many things, guys. It's not just about a design or a PNG, right? We got to do other things because that is how you diversify your store, as long as you can make it relate in the store. You don't want to start doing random stuff. You don't want to like a junk shop. You want to have it like it's quite a refined store that sells related things, okay? So that the Etsy algorithm can understand you and know what you're about, or else it won't show you to people. They won't show you the listings or your store to anybody unless it understands what you do, right? Just remember that. Anyway, sorry, I got sidetracked, but I like to give you nuggets all day, guys. Anyway, I typed in Christmas design. So check it. I typed in Christmas design. Now, what I like to do is I like to jump into filtering, right? I'm going to filter straight away. So I'm going to go to a listing age. I'm going to go like, I don't usually do one, but I'm going to do one. And a listing age of just 1 month old. Just 1 month old. I'm going crazy today, right? I hope I do it because in this video, I don't want to be like embarrassed if I don't find it, but I will find it. Let me see. Let's go to a shop age of 3 months. Yeah, shop age of 3 months is young, you know, right? Is young. I'll tell you what I like about this. This product analytics, right? It's so much information. I'll tell you what it helps. I'm just going to go through the categories real quick, right? So what you have here is you got the products on the left, the photos, you got the product name, you got the shop name, you got the price of the item, you got monthly sales, which is next column, you got monthly revenue, you got the total sales, you got listing age, you got your how many favorites it's got, you got average reviews, you got views on that listing, you got the category. You'll be so interested to see how many different categories people put theirs in. And sometimes if you're in the wrong category or not the correct, the better category, then the sales also won't come through. So actually this is good for analyzing categories. You got the shop age, you got your visibility score. This is so important. You got your conversion. Check it. Look at the conversion. You got one giving you 0.26 and one giving 10%. Obviously, the higher the better, but these conversions are crazy good. 9%. Anyways, so right now what I do is I put listing age 1 month old, and I put shop age 3 month max. Now what I do is then I start sifting. Now I can go further. I can actually start putting how much I want the price or how many monthly sales I want the person to get. But really, look, I'm looking at if something's 1 month old listing, right? 1 month old listing, even if it's get like $200, right? $200 for one listing, and it's only been out for a month. That is pretty good, guys. That's pretty good. So I'm not going to go silly and try and, I want to see like 5K in 1 month, one listing. I'm not going to be silly like that. I want to see a listing that's making, some money, because I know that there's potential there, right? So what I do is I go down to these listings. Like these ones, I can tell that some of these are massive, huge bundles and horror movie ones. I'm going to like sift through and try to find I want to find one design actually. This is what I'm trying to do. And then it's going to give me some clues. It's all about clues investigation, guys. So what's this one? A horror Tumblr. Quite a lot of these horror Tumblrs, actually. People loving these horror Tumblrs. They're quite popular, actually, funny enough. I think they're trending a piece. So these t-shirt designs. Then what's this one? 70 Christmas Tumblrs, right? That's interesting. How much is that making? 1,280. I mean, that one's interesting. I want to touch on that just for a second, right? Just for a second. It's a 1 month old listing. It's making 1,239. Okay. Let's just see what it's about. Oh, it's not. It's not out there. Sorry, this item is no longer available. Okay. Let's leave that one then. Let's go down. Something must be up. Let's see this one. 40 3D, 2D inflated. Yeah, we talked about inflated. I still got to do a video on the inflated Tumblr wraps. Guys, coming hopefully soon. Yeah, you got all of these other Christmas ones. What else? What's this one? Christmas cacti. You got a Christmas cactus making pee. 2.5 yellow Christmas cactus live plant. Wait, what's this? $897, 1 month old listing. Let me click on that. That's in the wrong. This. Nothing's. What's going on today? Like things are unavailable. Listen, what's going on? Come on, give me something. I need something. Hey, 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 hey. This looks good. What's this? What is this? Wait, it's a mug, right? And people gonna say to me, "What? AJ mug wraps? They don't sell. They're too saturated." God, this one looking good. Wait, let me check this out, cause $619. This is a mug wrap, 3D winter bird, a snowy one. It's a Christmas one. Okay, it's a $7 one. It's got 83 sales in the last month. It's making $619. It's got total sales of 83. It's got 8 reviews. It's a 1-month-old listing, guys. It's a 1-month-old listing. How old is the store? Well, I put that already. It's a 2-month-old store. It's got 100% visibility. It's got a conversion rate of 12.06%. Guys, I got to check this out because this one is an absolute banger. Check it. Look at this. 619, 83. It's verified. 1 month. Now, what is it going for? I got to check this one out because this one's got something interesting, right? Let me see some of these keywords in the title. This one's in demand, people. Check it out, guys. Let me see. Look, I mean, let me see the listing images. Like only 3. There's only 3, right? Not even a video. But it's absolutely smashing that Etsy algorithm. It's a robin in a snow background. People, what is it? A robin that people are loving? It's a 3D winter bird in a snowy wall mug wrap. You got 2 wraps, 11 ounce and 15 ounce mug templates. Okay, that is it, people, right? And it's absolutely smashing the algorithm. The algorithm can't even believe what's going on. Etsy can't believe it. Check it, $619, 1-month-old listing, guys. It is on a sale. You got to take that into account. But guys, even on a sale, wow. Check this out, guys. Key digital art, boom. 1,000 sales, young store. But wow, got a lot of listings, man. Woo! 487. I gotta take my hat off to the seller to actually bang out 487 listings in 2 months. That's fabuloso. They got all kinds of things though. Check it. Wow, this is pretty nice though. I like this 3D flavor. So there's a lot of these mug wraps. Look at these mug wraps, guys. Look at these mug wraps. Now, they're all kind of Christmassy, actually. They're all geared up for Christmas, which is good. So that means the seller's ready to go. Christmas style. Yep. Boom. Ready. Okay. That's quite interesting. That is quite interesting. It's really interesting. I'm interested. Now, these are simple mug wraps with there's 15. I think that they're all these 2 sizes, 15, 11 ounce. And they're just wraps. Now, I'll be very interested to see if others are making money, like as in these other listings. Let's have a quick look. Let's have a quick gander. Okay, so let's see this. So it's a 2-month-old store. Let's analysis. It's got 487, right? Actually, wow, there's one making even. This is a 1-month-old listing as well. The Snowman. It's making $849, guys. It's making $849, guys. It's got an average conversion rate of 10%, 10.2 to be exact. It's smashing it. So they must be hitting on some kind of good keyword or 2, right? Look at it. It's simple, I guess effective. It's that 3D element. Right? They love that 3D element. They love that 3D element, right? Look at this. It's a young store, guys. It's a young store. It's got 11 reviews. It's got really good reviews, actually. They really like these. Let me see this picture. That's really nice. Look at this picture. This is what it looks like, the wrap. They like the 3D design. They like this 3D design. So the 3D element is working for it. And it's a simple. This is, guys, look, I'm trying to explain something. Sometimes it's not about making things complicated or hard. This is a new store, a 2-month-old store with 1-month-old listings that are making a lot of money, right? What does that tell you? That is telling you that the ingredients and the elements and the timing is perfect. This is a timing for Christmas. Christmas is not here yet. It's a run-up, and already it's making the money, right? So what you need to do is you got to remember, when you have something seasonal, you got to make sure that you do your run-up. Make sure that you do it prior, months before that. Look at it, 114 sales in 1 month, $849. Like I said, from a new store. Look, and that one's the $849. Yes, it is on a sale, so definitely take that into account. The next one is that robin in a snow background that we saw, that beautiful one, $849, $619. The next one is making $232, which is this beautiful, again, butterfly design, 3D. And then there's the next one, which is $157, and next one making $154. So look, already these are the amounts that the seller's making. Quite a lot of money already in 2 months. You know, they're making really good income in 2 months. This is, again, you know, look, again, if I look at the listing, you know, they're using the similar format. And what I mean by the similar format is that 3D effect style, but in different kind of ideas. Look, this is not even a Christmas idea, and hence maybe why it's not selling as much as the robin in the snow background and the snowman, because obviously those are the people are buying it for Christmas, whereas this one not so much. But again, it's the same principle. Look, they got 3 images, boom, 15 and 11 ounce wraps, and it's just showing you what the wraps look like. So this kind of look, it shows you, it proves to you that sometimes if the product is right and there is a demand for it, funny enough, you know, there are other things that you may not need to do. I'm talking about, look, listing images. There's not a lot there, but yet it's selling very well. But yet, if there's a lot of people doing similar things, then obviously you need to make sure that you maximize on what you've got. So in this case, it might be a case of the 3D element, because they've touched on it. When I looked at the reviews, I saw that the customer was talking about the 3D element. So there's something about this 3D element that the seller's getting really correct, really right. People like this 3D bit. And that combined with Christmas, with that 3D element with Christmas, and that 3D element with that Christmas design is also helping it. Okay? And here's another design. This is another 3D winter deer reindeer making $154. The average visibility actually on this one is not as good as the other one, so there must be something that they can improve on, whether it be the title, keywords or something. It's not as visible as the others. But guys, this is what I'm trying to say. You can still find those nuggets right now, those Christmas nuggets, and it's not too late if you look and do your research properly. Do your research properly, identify young stores, young listings that are actually able to rank and sell, okay? And this is what I'm trying to say, okay? And this is what I'm trying to say. It can be done. It can be done. So, you know, like I said, I personally, if I was you, that's what I would do. I would start looking at various different keywords using EVERBEE here. Could be Christmas design, Christmas wraps, Christmas PNGs, and actually just go and filter and check out some of the designs. And then what you need to do is go further. Just look at those keywords possibly that are being used, which you can do and you can find. But guys, like I said, in the world of 1,373,000, you can still find those gems, those hidden golden gems, those nuggets in the rough, and actually get your sub niches and your listings selling right now. Get working, get busy after this video, and get those designs done and those listings up, guys, and make that fantastic passive income. But as usual, guys, if you love the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and don't forget, check out my playlist, guys, on all other Christmas ideas that I did talk about, and all the Halloween ones and everything else, guys. And I shall see you. Don't forget, check out the links in my description, and I shall see you on the next video. Take care.